The Kimberley is a really unique and interesting place. We're really lucky that we've not seen any species extinctions in this region. However, with the toads approaching fast, a lot of our native animals are facing a huge threat.
One creek we walked over, we found like 20 dead goannas and even dead snakes. It's really shocking.
These toads are actually evolved longer legs. They're bigger toads, they're stronger, they're faster, and they just continuously are heading west, trying to move to find new places for having their babies.
Science says that all of our native predators that are impacted by cane toads can learn to avoid cane toads if they have a small dose of toxin first. My hopes for the future of the Kimberley is that we can preserve some of these species in the landscape.